WITSON.
This is a newly designed car multimedia player with hidden phone holders on both sides of the screen, suitable for various phone models. When not in use, the holders can be folded back behind the screen. The bottom of the screen has 7 physical buttons, making it easier and safer to operate the main functions while driving. The main screen uses a 10.88-inch QLED high-definition touchscreen with front panel Type-C and USB interfaces for charging phones and reading music and videos from USB drives. Memory options range from 16GB to 64GB, and the device supports Wi-Fi and 4G internet connection. Main functions of the device include wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth hand-free calling, Bluetooth music A2DP, radio, RDS, song and video playback, navigation, reverse display, and a professional DSP processor. Can install most Android apps from the App Store. It also has a picture-in-picture feature, allowing you to display other functions while viewing maps while driving. Multiple USB ports are available at the back, and the backlight color of the physical buttons can be adjusted freely. Voice control functionality can be optionally added, supporting major international languages for convenient use. The UI software interface can be downloaded online for free, with over 50 styles to choose from and regular updates available. It supports popular European map software such as Google Maps and iGo Maps. Additionally, we provide installation brackets and frames suitable for over 100 car models, with a power cord interface tailored to your car for easy plug-and-play installation. We believe that having such a car player will give you a unique travel experience.
WITSON.